How to fix Snapchat device Shadowban. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat device Shadowban. A Shadowban on Snapchat can be caused by several factors. More often it is related to the violations of platform's terms and conditions. If you are experiencing the Shadowban problem, then there are a few steps that you can try to fix the problem. First of all, make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat application downloaded on your device. Also ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can also uninstall the Snapchat app from the device and restart your device. Then again reinstall your application. If the issue still persists, go to your settings of your device. And once you reach to the settings section, here find applications and permissions. The exact steps may be different depending upon the model of Android you are using. Go to the App Manager and from the list of applications find Snapchat. Once you find the Snapchat application, tap on it and you will reach to this page. Here you will find the option Internal Storage. Tap on this option and clear your cache. Click on this Clear Cache option right here and your cache will be cleared. You may also clear your data by clicking on this Clear Data option, but after doing it, you may have to log into your account again. Note that once you clear the data, all your snaps will be permanently deleted. If the steps do not work, you can reach out to the Snapchat support for assistance. So by following these steps, you can address many common issues that lead to device Shadowban on Snapchat. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.